Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you make the text bigger on Discord when you send messages, so let's jump right into it. First, open your Play Store or App Store to make sure we have the Discord app updated to the latest version for everything to function properly in this process. Once you're done, of course, open Discord. Make sure you are logged into your account, and now I'll show you how can you easily make the text bigger like the text on the last message right here. Tap on the text box as if you are sending a simple message and then look for this symbol right here. Go ahead and tap it once, you just need one of it, so tap on that symbol once and then it's important to add a space and then now you write your message. I'm gonna write something random. And as soon as you tap on send, the message will be bigger and you'll see how can you do that. And it's very easy just like that guys. And if you want the text to be more bigger, just write in uppercase using your keyboard and voila, you have successfully made the text bigger on Discord using this easy method. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.